Hello everybody, recently I have been looking for some training pants, so I came to this shop Geek Lighting on the Amazon, and I saw they have pretty good choice for training and also some more casual clothes with affordable prices. So I ordered these training pants for gym or some other activities like running, biking, hiking or whatever you are doing. So they have a lot of colors available, and I ordered this one with red and white color, and I have it here. So let's open this, see how it looks, and then we will try it and see is the quality good for training. And here they have some more information about the material used in these pants. So let's check the model. Is it the same like on the website? Here we have a bit of red color. At the end you have zipper if you want to extend them like this. So let's try them. I ordered L size, and as you can see I think it is a good fit for me because I don't like the pants to be too tight, but for training also it is not good if they are too big. Let's do some training and test the wearing convenience of these pants. Na, 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 na.
You cycled 1 kilometer within 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Heart rate is 90. You cycled 2 kilometers within 9 minutes and 14 seconds. Last kilometer took you 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Heart rate is 120.
Okay, and now enough with this playing, let's do some real exercise. To conclude the video, I like the material, which is very light and perfect for any activity because of quick drying and breathable ventilated fabric. Also, elasticized waistband and zip in the ankle makes it very easy for adjustment. One thing I don't like is that there is no zip at the pocket, even though the pocket is designed good to fit the phone and the keys. While running or biking, it will be more secure if you can lock the pocket with the zipper. And that will be all for this video. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about these training pants. And that will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you.